Welcome to the WVLS Work Culture video series. In this video, we'll be discussing hosting a meeting. WVLS staff host in-person and remote or online meetings. We also host hybrid meetings. Let's talk about some tips for each one. If you are hosting or in charge of a meeting, you are responsible for all aspects of it. This could include setting up the room, such as tables and chairs, making copies, purchasing and or setting up refreshments, and cleaning up and resetting the room to how you found it, as well as putting away all refreshments. Let's talk about some in-person tips for hosting a meeting. Don't be afraid to ask for help, especially ahead of the meeting. This could include setting up the room, putting out some refreshments, tech support, and more. Check for supplies at least a week before your meeting. Does the office have enough bottled water? What about coffee? When the meeting is done, do supplies need to be replenished? Let the office manager know if supplies are running low. Put the time in beforehand so you arrive prepared and ready to go. This will keep the meeting running smoothly. Start the meeting on time and do your best to end it on time. We want to be respectful of everyone's commitments. Don't forget to submit receipts to the office manager if refreshments or supplies were purchased. Let's talk about some tips for hosting an online meeting. Use your webcam to set a good example of enhancing communication and fostering stronger connections. If this is a meeting with multiple people, decide how people should communicate or ask questions. Should they speak freely? Use a raised hand symbol? As a host, establishing this at the beginning is helpful. Let attendees know if the meeting is being recorded. Remember to watch the chat area for any discussion. Similar to an in-person meeting, be prepared. If you'll be showing documents on your screen, have those up and ready to go. Start the meeting and do your best to end it on time. We want to be respectful of everyone's time and commitments. For a hybrid meeting, follow the tips previously discussed. Additionally, you might need extra support, especially if you are running the technology. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Be mindful that you have attendees in the room as well as online. Ensure that attendees online are given opportunities to share ideas and ask questions. As a host, it's your role to limit side conversations that can be distracting or create confusion. If you have more questions on hosting a meeting, ask a member of the WVLS team.